Today I'm planting some trees. I have 4 different trees that I bought, and I will show you right now what I got. I got a Betula Dakota Pinnacle. This is the size, the zone is 3 to 9, and the size, what was the size? 8 meters high, 3 meters wide. Gets to be nice and yellow in the fall. And I'm going to be planting that in the corner over there behind my other cedar, the cedar hedge, whatever. So in that corner there, I got 3 of them. So I got this beauty here. And this is a Brandywine red maple. And it is this color in the fall, which is gorgeous. With that yellow back there, it's going to be beautiful. But this gets to be like 30 feet high. And we're planting it right here. I kind of gave myself an approx of how wide it would be. So I have my crab apple tree here. And then I'll have that one there. And then I'll have that other yellow columnar, the other one in the corner, and then I'm gonna have 2 more, both of them that are gonna be on opposite sides also. That's where we're at. I'm gonna start digging. I got some huge holes to dig, and this is pretty scary because I got that, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get some roots. So fingers crossed for me, guys. So if ever there's root here somewhere that's too much, I may have to move the emplacement. I need to move around. So I'm thinking around here, 'cause for sure, I know I'm gonna hit root somewhere. Let's try to be lucky here. Oh boy. Maybe here, I don't know. So I'm gonna try to dig maybe a good 1.5 feet around, and it's gonna be a big hole. Maybe not 1.5 feet, maybe a foot. Oh, it's already hard. Guys, I don't have the proper shoes for this. It's already bending. Okay, is that a root? It's a root already. I already have a root. Something's here, it could be a rock. All right, we'll move the tree. Okay, so I'm gonna need an axe to break up some of those roots. They're dead. They break pretty easy, but lower there's some bigger ones. So I'm gonna try with an axe. My husband's helping me out and just throwing everything here because this is a lot of work. Watch it. There, got it.
Right on, Falco.
Okay, I'll try to get this. Watch it. Woman with an axe. I keep hitting next to it. There you go. I'm getting this tree in there. Oof. What about this part here? I don't know if I can get this part. If I could just get this out. Well, maybe. We'll see. I could get the hang of this.
You got it.
Watch it. I'm gonna need an Epsom salt bath after this. Oh, watch it. Holy jeez. Oh, look at it. I'm not doing this right. Dangerous. Dangerous. Oh, I got it. Got it. I got it. I got it. I know I got it. I know I got it. Woo! What's a heart attack feel like, hon? One more. Another one.
Okay. Finish it with the saw.
There's nothing to finish. Watch it. Back up. Nothing to finish with this. I got it.
That's good enough.
That's good enough. No, not all of it. I'm gonna put cardboard on the grass.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna put more dirt on top. So that's fine. It should be fine. And it'll go down a bit. Can you help or?
Yep.
I think we should lift it out of the hole first. Up and out. Ow, my shoulder. All right. Squeezy, squeezy. Shaky, shaky. There you go. We got it. Taking off my shoes. Oh boy. This little baby's got a lot of roots. I don't know if that's enough, but all right, where's the mic? Mycorrhiza. There, I got it. Break it up a little.
Hey, watch out.
Here, have some fun. I'm gonna rub a dub-dub all over on the tub. Perfect, now we'll just put it in and then we'll have a look and see what side.
Around a little.
Ew, boom. There.
Pretty straight.
Whew. We'll back up to see that. It's not straight. Well, it does have a curve.
It has a curve there, but then it curves it.
Maybe we should just turn it a bit. So we'll lift up and turn. Oh yeah, it looks like it's nice like that.
Yeah.
I like it. It's perfect. Let's just soak it. Is this all unplugged?
Nope.
Okay. I just want to soak this first, Steph. The dirt is in. I just gave it a nice drink. It took 4 bags of dirt. I'm just giving it a nice, to secure it in. Can't believe we did it. It took a while. It took us a good hour. It's gonna be good like this for now, Steph. We can just leave it like this. I made a little donut all around it so that when I water it, the water can stay right in the middle and go right down in. Once the tree is more established, I'll kind of get rid of that donut part. But I'm gonna fill it up with some of the cedar mulch here on top, just to help keep things moist. And eventually this will become some sort of bed, or I don't know what I'm gonna do here. But for now, this is what it is, and I'm gonna add the cedar mulch. Oh, this smells awesome. All mulched up. And in the center here, I don't let the mulch touch the tree here. It needs to breathe. So I usually leave this, you know, nice and tidy without any mulch. Okay, on to the next tree, but it'll be for another day.